Good morning, students. Today we are learn a new concept, that is the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see conversion of conversion of mixed fraction conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see, now we have first example. Firstly, we understand mixed fraction and improper fraction. Mixed fraction means the one whole number and a fraction, that is called mixed fraction. One whole number and a fraction is called mixed fraction. One whole number and fraction. Now we have to convert into improper fraction. Then what is meant by improper fraction? You know, हमने सबसे पहले टाइप्स लिए थे फ्रैक्शन के, उसमें हमने इम्प्रॉपर प्रॉपर सभी फ्रैक्शंस देखे थे. तो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन किसे कहेंगे? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन मीन्स द फ्रैक्शन whose numerator is greater than denominator. Whose numerator is greater than denominator. Now see, conversion of mixed fraction into convert, आपको ऐसे पूछा जाए, convert into improper fraction. Now how we convert in answer? Now first 1 and 1 upon 2, how we read is 1 and 1 upon 2. कैसे read किया हमने? 1 and 1 upon 2 is equal to, now we have to multiply this 1, यह का 1 या ये 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus this 1 and divided by this 2. Now see, 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 is called improper fraction. You understand? Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. An improper fraction में क्या है? The numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. You understand? Now the next example is, we have so many examples. Now next example, 2 and 2 upon 3. 2 and 2 upon 3. Convert, same way question है, convert into improper fraction. You understand? Convert into improper fraction. Now how we convert into improper fraction? Now in answer, this is same, 2 and 2 upon 3. हमने क्या करा, इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन लेना है. यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर्स हो इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 2 into 3 एंड जो ये ऊपर का न्यूमरेटर है इसको एडिशन में लिखना है आपको, देन 2. देन ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है जैसे कि वैसे 3 का 3, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 8, and this is divided by 3, and this is our improper fraction. You understand improper fraction? Now we have third example. We have so many examples for writing, but you understand how to convert improper fraction into proper fraction. Now next example is 3 and 4 upon 7. 3 and 4 upon 7. Now how we convert into improper fraction? Same way question रहेगा, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction. You understand or not? Now see, इन दोनों का multiply, 3 and 4 upon 7 is equal to 3 into 7 plus 4 and upon 7. डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर जैसे वैसे सेम रहेगा, उसमें हम कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे. लेकिन इन दोनों का मतलब 3 into 7 and plus 4 is equal to 7 3s are 21 and this plus 4 upon 7, then 21 plus 4 is equal to 25 upon 7 is our mixed fraction, is our improper fraction. Sorry, this is our improper fraction. You understand how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now you have so many examples. आप कौन से भी examples ले सकते हो और वही examples आपको क्या करने हैं, solve भी करने हैं. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? और एक example लेंगे आपके understanding के हिसाब से. Now see, we have so many examples. 3 and 2 upon 7. 3 and 2 upon 7. Now see in answer 3 and 2 upon 7. How we multiply? 3 into 2, no, 3 into 7 plus 2 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 and upon 7 is equal to 21 plus 2, 23 upon 7 is our answer. You understand how to convert mixed fraction into fraction. यहाँ पे देखेंगे अगर आप तो 3 is an whole number and 2 upon 7 is an what is an numerator and denominator. तो हम यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन किसका कर रहे हैं, 3 and 7 का. उसके बाद उसमें क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं हम, 2. सेम वही प्रोसेस लेके आपको क्या करना है, अलग क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. कैसे क्वेश्चन रहेगा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कन्वर्ट 23 upon 7 into mixed fraction. Convert into mixed 23 upon 7 into mixed fraction. Convert. Now हमने ऊपर अलग क्वेश्चन देखा था, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे हमें इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन दिया है. कौन सा फ्रैक्शन दिया है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का कन्वर्जन हमें किस में करना है, कन्वर्ट इनटू mixed fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. Now see how we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now see 23 upon 7. इसे कैसे रीड करते हैं आप, 23 अपॉन 7. और एक तरह से रीड करते हैं 23 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. 23 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. नाउ सी दिस इज 23 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. यू नो द 7 टेबल, 7 का टेबल तो आता है आपको. 7 का टेबल कैसे, 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21 एंड 7 4 28. लेकिन हमें तो 23 चाहिए, 23 तो टेबल में है नहीं है. नाउ 21, देन 7 3 21 एंड रिमेनिंग इज 2. Now how we write into mixed fraction. Now see, ये इसकी जगह पे लेने का, दैट मीन्स ये अभी डिनोमिनेटर में है तो किस में लेना है, न्यूमरेटर में. न्यूमरेटर का होल नंबर में और ये होल नंबर यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में. फिर देखो ये बीच में है, सेंटर में, तो इसको नीचे लेना है. नीचे वाला ऊपर और ऊपर वाला बीच में. नाउ सी, ऊपर वाला बीच में 3, नीचे वाला ऊपर एंड बीच में वाला नीचे. दिस इज आवर what, this is our mixed fraction. See above example, this is mixed fraction, we convert into improper fraction 23 upon 7, and this 23 upon 7 is converted into mixed fraction. You understand how we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we have second example. Second example is that, second, we have so many examples like that. 5 upon 4 is our next example. 5 upon 4, that means we read directly 5 divided by 4. Now in answer this is 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4, then 4 ones are 4 and remaining is here 1. Now then how we write, ऊपर then बीच में and then नीचे. Now ये क्वेश्चन दैट इज होल नंबर, ये ऊपर 1 और ये नीचे 4. दिस इज आवर मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. This is our mixed fraction. You understand mixed fraction? Now next example is, see, third number example. Now we have example number 3. Now see, example number 3 is 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. Now see, in answer 7 upon 2, that means 7 divided by 2. Then you know 2's table. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, and remainder is 1. Now this is above side, this is in between, and this is downside. That means 3 and 2 upon, no, 3 and 1 upon 2 is our answer. 3 and 1 upon 2 is our answer. Now you have homework HW. You have HW. Now first question is convert given fractions into mixed fractions. Mixed fraction. A 4 upon 3, B 7 upon 3, C 8 upon 3, and D 11 upon 3. And second number question is convert given fraction mixed fractions into fractions. A 1 and 2 upon 3, B 7 and 4 upon 3, C 8 and 9 upon 7, and D 11 and 11 upon 12. 11 and 11 upon 12. You understand? This is your homework. Okay.